Here's how to use level of interest with TradingView. First, download the zip file for TradingView from your dashboard under level of interest. Unzip the file. Inside, you'll find a step-by-step guide, a color settings file, and a link to this tutorial. Step 1. Log into your TradingView account and open a chart. In a second browser tab, open loi.tradeneon.com/tradingview-indicator. On the top right corner of the displayed image, click on Add to Favorites. Now go back to your chart. Click on Indicators and add TradeNeon level of interest to your chart. Step 2. Go to your LOI dashboard and copy the code for your market. There are 3 versions: the current front contract, the continuous contract, and the micro future continuous contract. Choose the one that fits your open chart. Now open the indicator settings, paste in the code, and click OK. Note: you'll need to repeat the step daily as TradingView doesn't support importing external data sources. Level of interest. See what matters.